So over these years, the way that it has grown, it's spending a lot of time on the job sites with the teams, seeing how everybody uses the different tools. And there's a couple of things that we've learned over those years. One of our larger projects, the Stanford hospitals, those ran for several years, and they had these massive sort of single point office where all the teams were for collaboration. So the owner, design team, GC, sub, you name it, everyone was in there. And what's neat about spending a lot of time in that trailer in particular is you get to learn all the unique perspectives of the different users. Like the design team has a real specific focus into what they want to see and how they want to operate. So do the subs, so do the GCs. And so getting that understanding of all these unique perspectives helps. It lets you know that usually a lot of people are just doing what they need to do, and then they throw the problem over the fence to the next person and let them resolve that problem. And so when you realize that that itself is the problem, and you can build a tool that allows all these teams to be independent and operate how they want to operate, and the tool will connect them and transform the information. That solves a big piece of the problem for them. So you're getting everything in a single application that gives everyone the perspective they need on all the issues they have to deal with. And how we do it differently from a technology point is we do this on a concept of location-based, meaning everyone's going to look at a wall differently. One's going to look at it virtually through a 3D platform. Somebody's going to look at it on a piece of paper through a drawing. Someone's going to look at it as a cost line item in an accounting piece of software. But we're always talking about that same wall. And so what Inertia does is we take that wall and we make that the focal point of the conversation for everybody through our tool. And so when you want to know something about this wall, you go into Inertia and you click that wall, and you can know anything from the field concepts of like RFIs, trade damage, issue, punch list, inspection. But it also feeds back into those other tools for purposes of accounting or design or change management. And so by reorienting the conversation around the things that are being built, the objects, the locations, and capturing information that way and communicating it through that medium, we're finding it to be successful.